Sasamat Lake, and today we're gonna get eight trout max out, and then we're gonna, after the 4, we're just gonna catch and release.
It is.
It's 7:44.
7:44.
October 26th, 2025. We got this, bro.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Sasamat Lake.
Like and subscribe, baby.
Hell yeah. Maybe to our right here.
Okay, yeah.
It's still a little bit too shallow here.
Yeah.
So maybe even like in the deep end.
Yeah.
Check out my new rod holder.
Oh, nice. Oh, I can't believe they're swimming, man. What the fuck? You crazy?
You should join them. What if I tilt the canoe this way or that way?
Watch out for jumpers.
Yeah, I'm looking. Alright, bro is testing out his new anchor today.
Oh, yeah, bottom.
Nice.
Why don't you tie it to your side?
Right.
You want to try it?
Toss it. Whoa!
Got it?
Got it.
Nice. Nice. Hey, you lost
Wait.
Yeah?
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
fish on, baby. Let's go.
Yes, David! Heck yeah.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah. Sick, dude. You need a net? I have no net for you.
Oh, I think it's a pretty decent size one too.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're good.
Yes. Yeah,
Let's-
you want to go this side or that side? Don't lose it now. That side, left. Oh, sick. You should just dump it in the goddamn boat.
Nice.
Nice! Good job, dude.
This one's a good size too.
Nice, yeah. Eater.
Sorry, buddy. Your dinner. Hi.
They saw you, dude.
Sorry, you had to see that. It's dead though.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, you don't get a lot. Oh, wait, you get lakes in London for sure.
Yeah, there's probably more fish there than here.
Yeah. They don't get the snakes, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
The mountains. Yeah. Yeah. That's awesome. Cool. Alright. Yeah, good one. Yeah, thank you. Bye, guys.
Have a good one. No? Oh no, you got it. Just no, it's so.
Yeah, hook set, baby.
Yo,
Yeah.
chill. Wait, chill. Oh, let's go. Get that action.
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
I don't want to lose it.
Woo.
Yes. Smaller, but.
Yeah. You gonna keep it?
Yeah, I think this. Yeah, I'm keeping it. Yeah.
Nice. You good?
Nice.
Come on, bro. Commit. The bobber's going up and down. Oh, fish on.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, what? You lost it.
Nope, still on.
Still on? Oh, sick. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a good one.
Right on. Rainbow trout. Fish on.
Open. I mean, we can just catch them and release them.
Ooh. Oh baby, this one's a fighter.
Oh, really? Sick, man.
Yeah. This one's pretty decent size.
Big guy. Need space, you need space. Cool.
It's pretty small actually. Actually, this one's decent. Oh, dude.
Dude, you're just milking the thugs.
What are you talking about? All right. Oh, this one's good.
Oh, yeah.
All right, buddy. Oh, hey, the shrimp is still
Oh, bobber down.
ready.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh!
Fish on. Oh, this one's really small, I think.
Well, you can release it if you don't like it.
Yeah, I think I'll just release this one.
I could have released my last one
Actually, that's a good size, right?
It's up to you. You want to have more fun though.
Nah, I think I'll just keep this one. All right, last catch. And it is pouring out.
Yeah. This one is the...
But solid day. We all maxed out. We're talking about churches,
Yeah.
and the guy came over and gave us shrimp.
Yeah.
Is he kind of like low-key like Jesus? You know what I'm trying to say?
Every time Sasamat gets stocked, go a week after, or like plus four days-ish, go here, use a bobber with a deli shrimp. That's the secret. Max out, baby. If
Fishing.
you want to max out in Sasamat Lake, that's what you do. Dude, I feel like Jim Baird in that episode where they were just catching shrimp.
Yeah, with his brother, right?
Yeah. Crazy.
Wow, now just look at that view.
Yeah, man. Crazy.
Can't let the rain stop you from fishing,
Hell no.
or from getting outside. Yeah. Wee.